Hello friends, why I am worried about my English language? My English is not improving. I am worried due to this reason. What to do next? So these are the common questions or common things happening with those who are learning English language as a second language. English is not their first language. So my suggestion is that learn English while enjoying. Enjoy the process of learning the language. When you will learn the things while enjoying with your happiness, then they will be easy for you to memorize. Otherwise, when you are feeling exhausted, feeling bored, you are in tension, and you are trying to do specific kind of work, you want to achieve some kind of goals, then all those processes will be difficult for you because you are not feeling relaxed. Your mind is disturbed. So I think that for learning anything, easy environment, happy environment is necessary. How you can create your happy environment? This is your responsibility. First of all, we all have some kind of fears, some kind of problems in our daily life. If you are married and you may have some kind of problems related to your marital status, related to your spouse, your children, or there may be problems of your household. Some necessary items are not available at your house. You are worried about those things. You are worried about money. You are poor. You are not getting job, or you are not getting the salary at proper time. So there may be different kind of worries in your back mind. And when you are trying to learn the things, those worries, those problems are making the hindrance in the process of your learning, because you are not feeling happy, you are feeling rude, you are feeling bad. So if you want to learn English language, I think that learning English language is the process of learning with happiness, with joy, with cheerful mood, with a relaxed mentality. So I think that when you feel relaxed, then try to learn lot of things about English. At that moment, your mind will work. You can think new ideas. You can create new stories. Then you can discuss on those. You can go outside with good mood. You can enjoy the beauty of the nature around you. We all always trying to find the beauty that is artificial. I think that artificial beauty is good, but not as good as the natural beauty. So find and search the natural places. Go outside. Discuss with your friends. Talk about those places. Talk about the area where you are living. Talk about the places where you want to go. In this way, I think that you will improve yourself in English language when you will learn each and everything with cheerful mood, with happy mood. Hope you find this video useful. In next video, I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, do subscribe so that you never miss our other videos. I Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.